Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kashito and welcome back to another episode of the Unbox with Kashito. And for this unbox, literally a box, okay, you see? Yeah? This box right here, yeah. This one is literally from Froyoh, nice! And this cost me 100 pesos, and go check it out, link to the description down below about the vlogs. I don't know about future Kashito if he's already did it, like uploaded. But yeah, go check it out. For now, I'm gonna open this bad boy up, and it cost me 100 pesos. And well, that seems making a Lego out of this is 201 pieces. So for this unbox, let's just build it, because why not? I also have a steps. Alright, first things first is this one right here. So I might as well to be careful about the missing piece. Alright, let's start building. Let's assemble this one. So I have steps, so I'm gonna put it right here. So let's get started. First things first, one from this one. Now, let's assemble the shell. First things first, we have 3 and also words, right? Alright, now it's done. So this part right here is the face and also the mouth. Step 1 is done. Proceed for step 2. So 1, 2, and 1 for this one has a black, has an eye, and then pink. There we go. Let's assemble the shit. First things first, the eye. It's supposed to be this one.
It takes more than intellect to be a musician.
Alright, now step 2 is complete. Let's proceed for step 3. Of course, again with the blue, black, 2 of them, and then one, this one. Alright, let's go. So this one is supposed to be here. Oh crap. Perfect. Alright, let's go in number 4. 1 by 3. Alright, let's assemble. So this one's supposed to be at the back, right? Or no, it's not at the back. That's literally the face. So it continues from the face. So what I'm going to do is things first. This one. There you go. Perfect. Alright. Let's continue. Let's proceed for the step 5. Only one, I think. This one. This one. I think this is the last one. I think. Oh no, that's not the last one. There's still more. Alright, let's assemble. Look at that. Now let's proceed from step 6. It sounds like a step 6.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
There you go. Oh, I need 2. Alright, let's assemble. So first things first. Oh, okay, now let's get started. no, 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 no. There you go. Look at that. Alright, let's proceed from the step 7. I need two of a special looking. Alright, let's assemble shit up. There you go. Perfect. Now let's proceed to the step 8. I mean, look at this. Yeah, we almost made it from the head. We're almost finished. Oh, this one is quite easy now. I need 1 by 2, which is only 4. Yeah, the only 2 by 6 left. Alright, let's go.
Live your life your way.
Alright, we're almost there. God, this is a lot. Alright, now let's go proceed for the step 9. So I need to 1 by 4.
Live your life your way.
Let's assemble the shit.
Live your life your way. Be true to yourself.
There you go. Alright, let's proceed to step 10. Oh no, this one's not done. There's still more though. Huh. Oh, okay, okay. So what I'm going to do is... We're part of this one. 4.
Live your life your way.
Here.
Live your life your way.
Alright. Well, this one is look cool now. Alright, this might be the last one for the head now. Alright. Let's assemble. Alright, the head is complete. I mean, look at this. It's so cool. See the back? Side? Yeah. So cool. Alright, now let's proceed for the body. Now let's need this one as a blue, just 1 by 1. Perfect. Supposed to be like this. Now let's go for the whites. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. Now let's assemble. Okay, first things first, it's this one. Alright. Is this a skin? Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Alright, perfect. Now let's proceed for step 15. This one's supposed to just one. Bam. Alright, let's do this. Red first in, it's supposed to here. Then this one has a head. It's supposed to be here or here. Let me try. Yeah, that's perfect. Look here. Alright, the last step will be foot. Just like this one. Let's do this. You know, there's a lot of pieces left here, but they're not using these goes anymore since it's almost gonna finished. So what I'm going to do is like this and then here. Now it is finished. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Really, it's kind of a bit stressful for me to build like this. Not gonna lie, it's worth it. Just 100 pesos for buying this one. Yeah. Took me an hour to build this little Sailor Moon. Yeah. So please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And I say to you all, and sayonara, arigato. Now I'm gonna put it in my collection. Yay!